Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! Welcome back to our channel. I'm super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you latest news and updates regarding the Louis Vuitton collection that we are going to see for 2025. Yes, I'm going to provide you all the information that you need aside from the Louis Vuitton X Murakami collection. So what can we expect? What new bags, new collection Louis Vuitton would be releasing for 2025. Also, I'm going to share to you some leaked photos of the new bags that we are going to see January 2025, and this is beside the Murakami collection and Farewell Spring Summer 2025. So if you want to be number one on your Louis Vuitton game, make sure you watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, I'm over here so I could put some photos over here, and I'll be sharing to you some updates of what new collection that we may be expecting for 2025. But guys, fair warning, so let us take this updates with a grain of salt. So let us not just think that this would be in production. So I'll be sharing these updates to you, but there would be chance that they may or may not be put into production. But guys, I'm always vigilant with new updates. I would love to share everything to you. So once I have all the information, more information like names, product photo, prices, and launch dates, definitely kindly expect a new blog will be posted. So now, here are the latest updates and new collection that we may expect for year 2025. So the very first one, of course, we are going to have the new Empriente collection by January. So we are going to have two colors. So we have the rose quartz and then we have the broom quartz. So the new Empriente collection, once I have more photos and information on this, I'll be sharing on our community wall and would be creating a separate vlog. Then I'm not really sure if this is still going to happen. Update number 2, according to my sources, we are going to have heart-shaped NANO SPEEDY coming January 1st. But I'm not really sure if they're going to push through either with this style or definitely not on January 1st, because I'm pretty sure everyone is aware by January 2nd, the biggest collection would be launching would be the Louis Vuitton X Takashi Murakami Drop 1, and then they're going to release also Pharrell Williams Spring Summer 2025 collection. So if they're not going to release this January 1st, so maybe we could expect on a later date a heart-shaped NANO SPEEDY, which I'm very curious and very interested to see, because if this is going to be put to reality, definitely this heart-shaped NANO SPEEDY would be very, very hot. Next update, so this one, guys, again, another one that I'm really thinking that would be very hot once they are going to release it. We have a new pochette class collection that will be coming. So we don't have the date that this is going to be released by 2025, but this is made from 3 different sizes. So we have the pochette class size in the original size, then we have big, and we have a smaller size with the pochette clay. So I'm not really sure how small the smaller size of the pochette clay would look, but the bigger one I'm definitely interested. But I'm guessing it may be the same size with the Speedy P9 or the leather Speedies, because those Speedy or those leather Speedies come with a bigger key clochette, right? Next update, in February 2025, Empriente in Wine will come back. So if you're not familiar, they have released this in 2024. So if I could find some photos from the previous collection, I'm going to put definitely here some photos over here. And of course, we have some Empriente in an off-white like color would be coming, no date yet. Another update in March, so aside from the drop 2, so if you're not familiar, if you haven't seen my Murakami update, I'm going to link it up here and put it on the description box. We're in the drop 2 of the Murakami would be releasing by March, and that would be the Sakura or the Cherry Flower collection. So aside from this one, by March we are going to see the May Azure collection. Wow, that would be super fun, and this would include a mini bomb bag, backpacks, and many more. So that would be nice. So please stay tuned for that one. And then another new collection by March. We have a new denim collection, and this one, it would come either in the color rose and gray. So that would be very interesting. So to be honest guys, I wasn't really a huge fan, or I wasn't a fan when they have released the denim collection last year. So I'm not really sure how this new rose and gray denim collection would fare by March. So just kindly stay tuned. Then we have a new Kuzan backpack coming in January. Okay, so that's January. Looks similar to the backpack that was released in Empriente. Alright, so those are some of the new collection that we may or may not expect for 2025. So again, just kindly stay tuned. Once I have more photos, update prices, I'll be creating a separate vlog, so make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Okay, so guys, I have teaser photos, leak photos of what would be coming by January for women's collection. So this is aside from the Murakami Drop 1 and the Spring Summer 2025 of Pharrell that will be launching January as well. So I have posted several vlogs on those. I will be putting it here, and check the playlist guys so you could see what's coming by January. So aside from this one, we are going to see an Empriente collection. So I have couple of bags here, couple of photos. I don't have the SKU and I don't have the prices, but we do have some photos here, so let us discuss closely. So first we have Speedy 20. So guys, first and foremost, how beautiful this bicolor Empriente leather is. So the colorway of this one, it is like a dove gray, or it is like on a lighter gray colorway, which I truly love. It complements well the bicolor Empriente of the LV logo and the Louis Vuitton flower. So are you a fan of silver hardware? If yes, this bag would come in silver hardware. So you may not agree, but I am liking the silver hardware of this one, because honestly guys, aside from black, I do love gray colorway, and this monochromatic gray colorway I am so in love with. So of course, the Speedy 20 would come with a fully detachable crossbody strap. So the crossbody strap would come with a chain, and then of course it would come a leather part in the middle. So this bag of course would come with a lock and key set. So loving this Speedy 20. So just kindly take note, or kindly stand by for the SKU on the prices once I have more information. Next bag on this collection and colorway, we have the Boulon bag. So hopefully I'm getting the names correctly. If I'm not guys, I'm just going to correct myself over here on my right. So with this bag, so the same colorway just like with the Speedy 20. So it would come with two straps. So we have the fully detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it would come with a braided chain strap. So the braided chain strap, you could use this one to wear this bag as a shoulder bag, and then use the leather strap if you want to be hands-free and use it as a crossbody bag. So I am loving of course the gray colorway of this one, same with the Speedy 20. And I am seeing that this bag still comes with the silver hardware, in which again in my opinion complements really well with this all gray monochromatic scheme. Next bag in this colorway guys, so we have the On The Go East West. So super in love with this one, and I believe I have mentioned with my previous vlog that I am such a huge fan. Well, I am a bigger fan of the East West version rather just the classic On The Go. And the reason for this one is because the East West version of On The Go comes with a workable zipper on top, so it means security for you. So definitely I love that feature. I'm not really a fan, like for example a huge tote which doesn't come with any closure, doesn't come with any zipper. I would feel for the security of my belongings inside this bag. So I love that feature for the East West. I also love this size as well, and I'm sure you are familiar that the East West style of any bag is such a huge hit this season. So I'm loving the colorway of this one as well. So I believe it would come with, I'm not really sure if these are two straps. So I'm seeing a leather strap. So the leather strap you could use as a longer crossbody, and it would come with a braided chain strap. So the braided chain strap, maybe you could use this one as a shoulder bag, but again guys, I could be wrong. Again, a huge fan of the gray or the silver hardware of this one with the monochromatic gray color scheme of this bag. Next on this colorway, we have the Diane bag. So this is the regular size of the Diane. So the colorway of this one is this very beautiful light gray colorway with the bicolor Empriente LV logo, giant LV logo with the Louis Vuitton flower. It would come with two straps. So we have a detachable top handle or shoulder strap. So love that. You could detach it. And this one, guys, I am not a fan. So it would come with a detachable canvas strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody. Personally, guys, with Louis Vuitton bags, I am not a fan of any canvas strap. I feel that for me personally, it's not my style. I would definitely choose a chain strap or a thicker canvas strap or a leather strap compared to this canvas strap with the Louis Vuitton logo. But I love, of course, the silver hardware, and of course, the all gray color scheme is such a winner for me. Alright, so the next colorway, we have like a light pink or pink colorway bicolor Empriente leather. So we have this one, I'm not really sure of the name, but I'm just going to put it here. So with this shoulder bag, with this hobo bag style, we're going to see that the main material, of course, is Empriente leather in the pink colorway with bicolor giant Louis Vuitton logo and flowers. So it would come with adjustable but non-detachable shoulder strap. So this time, guys, it would come with gold hardware. So gold hardware, I like it on this colorway. I think it would also work with silver, but this combination works perfect for me. So it would come with detachable back tag in front, and it would come with zipper for closure. So I'm not really sure if my memory serves me correctly, guys. Once you open this one, so one huge compartment, but I believe it would come with a smaller pochette, but please don't quote me on that one. Once I have more information, definitely I'll be sharing on our community wall and on a separate vlog. And last but not the least, I'm seeing here this very beautiful and cuddly Louis Vuitton backpack. So this one in this pink bicolor Empriente material. So guys, please take note, zooming in the flap of the backpack, I'm seeing that the Louis Vuitton monogram is the giant LV flowers and the giant LV logo, and then it comes with a degradé effect. So at the body, it has like a medium size Louis Vuitton monogram, and then on the pocket, it would come with the regular size monogram. It would come, of course, with gold hardware, and I believe that the chain backpack straps are non-detachable, but again, guys, I could be wrong. So loving this colorway, and I believe that the backpack styles are such a huge thing right now. So other luxury brands have their own version, so this is really cute. So we have like for Chanel, even Coach has this one, but I love this style of Louis Vuitton. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So what did you think of the updates that I have shared you for today? Do you love anything so far? If you do, guys, kindly comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, comment, and share this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!